Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining. Thank you for listening to this talk. Let's see if we can learn something new, right? I started maybe half a year, or three quarters of a year ago to investigate causal inference, right? This is something which we use every day, but yet as computer scientists or as AI researchers, we have not been using it so much, but we are investigating it now. There's a larger and larger community which investigates causality, and what I want to show today is why we as a community interested in social media should care about that. So you obviously know that the web at present is built on predictions, right? And predictions are actually quite useful because they help Amazon, for example, to find out who might buy a book, right? They look at buyers who bought books in the past, and they look at you and see, okay, these are similar buyers, so you might be interested in the same books, and then they recommend these books, right? So that's basically an association between buyers and books, which has been observed in the past. We have been working in our center a lot on AI and medicine, and one thing which has been mentioned in quite a few talks in this conference is the use of social media for finding out what people think about health, what their tweets actually tell about their health, right? And you certainly know some articles about how we can find out whether person feels bad or maybe is even suicidal when looking at postings. And we also have heard about fake news, and again the interesting thing here is we want to fight fake news. So what we do is basically we try to find out what characterizes fake news, what content do we see, and whether this might be true or false, right? And all these systems are predictive in